So next, today is a very interesting topic that I am going to talk about. So we've all had times when people have spoken to us about benefits of BNI. Okay, but today I'm going to talk about something different. I am going to talk about benefits, rather not benefits, but how are you utilizing the power of BNI? Okay, it's the same thing. So benefits of BNI comes before joining BNI, and utilization of those powers comes after joining BNI. So I'm going to talk to you about some of the things which you might not have heard of. So you need to focus on this. First slide. Now, public speaking skills. So this is one of the most important benefit that I have derived out of BNI. And I am sure that, many people who have been a part of the BNI journey in last few years have utilized this. So can how many of you feel that your public speaking skills have improved? Type 1 on the chat box. So this thing is really close to my heart, and therefore I would like some people to say, right? So we agree. So those people who are not writing one, guys, you need to focus on this skill and try to improve this. It really helps. Next. Learning to speak concisely. So there are some people who keep going on and on and on, but in a public forum, in a public speaking, in a public gathering, you need to be concise. So how many of us had this problem, or rather who could not speak concisely are now giving perfect 30 seconds and we are all understanding their business, right? So how many of you feel that you have developed this skill? Type 2. Wonderful. Next. Taglines. How many of us thought that a good tagline or a good memory hook was essential to our business and we were missing out on that? Type 3 on the chat box for whom this has helped. Right? Cool. Fourth. Next. Making friends. I need not say anything about this. I need not say. So I think everyone is there who's going to type 4. Right? Next. Yes, Karan, I can see your excitement. Other networking opportunities. So through BNI, there are so many networking events, award events, workshops, seminars that we come to know about, which is happening in the city, outside the city. So for me personally, I got the opportunity to attend a course of Dr. Ujjwal Patni, and I benefited from that. So, and there are millions and millions of other courses which people have, come to know through this. There are people who have joined YI, there are people who have joined different other platforms of networking opportunities. How has BNI helped you in this? Some of the people for whom it has helped, type 5. Okay, so here's a disclaimer for all of you. Those of you who are not typing anything on a particular, on a particular benefit or a particular power of BNI, you need to develop that. And if it has helped some of us, it will help all of us, right? Next. An education on how to network. So for me personally, when I used to go to networking events, I used to just collect visiting cards and come back with a bunch of visiting cards from a networking event, and they used to go into my visiting card folder. But that was wrong networking, right? So what is right networking? That BNI has taught me. So how many of us feel it has helped us? Type 6. Okay, cool. Next. A focus group. So BNI gives us a focus group. We are all a family here. So trying out new products, marketing, and even new businesses. So this is a great focus group. If you are not utilizing this power of BNI, you are missing out. Trust me, friends, this is a great focus group and you get great feedback. Trust me, I have tried to utilize this. I have tried to develop new products and showcase them in BNI in front of BNI members, and I have got fabulous feedback. Next, joint ventures. Okay, now I would like to see who writes 8 on the chat box. Any example who has set up a joint venture or a new business being in BNI? Jay, wonderful. Kshitij, superb. Now, friends, this is a great, great, great power of BNI. And trust me, this really, really will do wonders to your business. So I know a couple of members who are now no longer a part of BNI, but they have miraculously developed their business through joint ventures in BNI. Next, knowledge of other types of business. So since it's Saraswati Puja and we are talking about learning, so we also learn about so many other types of businesses that we are looking all around us, right? So there are so many things, so many intricate points about travel industry, about clothing industry, about interior industry, about different industries, insurance industries. So we get to know so much. Next, BNI Connect, Business Beyond Boundaries. I know for sure Mahesh is the one who will write 10, and Prakash Nahata. Wow. So I have some responses around that. Superb, guys, superb. Next. And lastly, it's business referrals. So business referrals for me is the last on this list of the power of BNI. Friends, so this is why we join, but trust me, the other skills that we learn from BNI is simply superb. Next. Thank you very much. And if there are anyone can write on the chat box. I'm open for exactly 10 seconds. Okay, guys, thank you very much. Over to you, Vikas.
Thank you, Rahul. That was useful as well as interesting.